Yeah.
Also because the Pakistan rupee is on a free fall right now. And a lot of it also coming from political uncertainty with your former Prime Minister Khan now asking for elections. What's the government going to do?
Well, the country needs unity, harmony, reconciliation, peace with each other, brotherhood, fraternity. And I'm all for this. Our coalition government, I'm heading this coalition government. I have articulated this time and again today, before your cameras and talking to you, I would like to convey to all my friends in Pakistan, let's join hands together, let's unite, let's bury our differences, and let's discuss politics some other time. Today is the time to come together and serve the suffering humanity and our brothers and sisters.